Simon says, nod your head. Simon says, shake your leg. Simon says, put your hands on your head. Simon says, sit down. Simon says, stand up. Simon says, touch your nose. Wave your arms.
Emmy's out.
Did anyone fall for it? Ah, well, let's say that was a final practice run, but now we'll definitely begin. No more practices. Okay, let's play Simon Says. Simon says, clap your hands. Simon says,
No.
touch your ear. Simon says,
There it
hands
is.
up.
Turn that way, look.
Simon says,
You watch 'em.
hands down.
No,
Simon
that's it.